There is so much information out there at the moment, telling you what to look for when buying a wedding ring or how to buy a wedding ring, but it doesn't tell you what things to not do, okay? There are certain things which you need to avoid. And I'd just like to go through a couple of those points with you. These here are lemons and oranges at your finest. No. So what we have here is a collection of wedding rings, which shows you all the different profiles and different styles which are available at the moment. People tend to like to mix the metals. For example, let's look at the lady for a moment. She's been presented with a platinum engagement ring, which is everlasting white colour. But then when it comes to the wedding, now we're looking at white gold or yellow gold. They wear differently. It's like basically cheese to a cheese grater, okay? Gold is a lot softer than platinum. So all the time that you're wearing it next to platinum, you're wearing it and distorting the gold. Number two is people look to go for an ornate wedding ring and plan to wear it every day. These designs are not meant for everyday wear. These are the designs which are made for people which are going to wear them of a weekend or of an evening. So therefore, look at designs which suit the purpose of your wedding ring. Here, I'm just going to show you some fancy style wedding rings. Obviously, as you can see, there's quite a large variety of all different cut stones, all different cut diamonds, and the way that they're set. Some of them got a nice smooth channel setting, some are like grain setting. But also we have some that have been shaped. Yeah. So we could shape them round engagement rings. Number three mistake for me is time factor. You have to bear in mind that wedding rings do take a while to be made. And we do see it quite a lot where people come in and they say, we'll get married next weekend or in 2 weekends' time. That's lovely, but wedding rings are a priority. These are going to last a lifetime, so you need to plan in advance. Give yourself 6 months, 7 months. Number four is quite a big one. It's about limitations. People make do with wedding rings, and this shouldn't be the case. Wedding rings are a vital part of any marriage. It's the part from the wedding which you take home with you and you have for the rest of your lives. So get it right. If you've got an engagement ring which has got a fancy shape to it and you need something shaped to go around it, have that piece that is specially made to go round. Don't try and get a straight band and then make do. Get it right straight away, first time, and it will look sensational for the entire marriage. If I take men for example, we have got men with slender fingers, we have some with slightly larger fingers. And it's wrong that they come in and everyone seems to think that a 6mm wedding band is the right one for a man. That's the width of a wedding ring which it should be. It's wrong. You've got to get a thickness which suits your hand. Some men can pull off a 6mm and it looks absolutely lovely. Others need slightly narrower. They need like a 4 or a 5mm. And alternatively, if you've got a slightly larger hand, you may find that a 6mm just doesn't suit. Allow a little bit of room over the knuckle, but you want it nice and comfortable. One of the main reasons why people do not wear their wedding ring is because the size is not correct. So get it right. You can check out our blogs, which we've done quite a lot on wedding rings, wedding ring designs. Please check those out. If you want to come and talk to me about wedding rings, I'd love to hear from you. Please come and visit me at Burrells in Tunbridge Wells. And my name's Grahame.